giving them some power. Oh yeah. Yeah, a little smell out of them. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Oh wow. Yep. That's a pretty cool amp rack style. Okay. I'm gonna go look on the other side too. Whoa! That's a pretty good idea. That's to put things on. So what is your name and what all's in here?
Name's Chris. And 3500, 4 3500s in here. 96 amp hours, batteries, 2 of those. And these are VXF 15s.
Okay. This is a really, like, it seems, I bet you it's really efficient. That's a lot of power for each sub, too.
Yeah, apparently, I tried pushing them and they like them.
Really? Okay.
They're not
so 1 amp strat, or 1 amp gain matched on each?
They are 1 ohm. 1 ohm each.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you build the box?
I built the box. It took me 3 days and a lot of sanding.
Oh, yeah.
Haven't painted it yet. I haven't decided on a
yes, sir.
color.
Do you know the tuning, cubic space, or anything?
35.
Okay.
I can do a 30. Yeah, I can do a 35. Do 150 at 35 hertz.
Okay. Are you happy with it?
Yeah. I want to target lower, but
yeah,
it's acceptable.
Yes, sir. All right. And what's your alternators? Or alternator?
Stock alternator.
Really?
I have.
Okay.
I have one, but it's not installed because the bearings have gone out.
Okay. Have you done any kind of clamp power just to kind of carry us on it?
No. That was the next step.
Okay.
I've only done so much. I'm still kind of scared to push it all the way.
Oh yeah. Have you considered mounting the subs regular? Or you like them inverted?
They look better. They look cool.
They do look nice with the motors out. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Thanks for the info. Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
All right.
Windows down better, probably.
Yeah.
So what is your name?
Name is Chris.
Chris. Awesome. And thanks for the demo, Chris. Nice to meet you.
No problem.
Yep, appreciate the demo. That was great. For a no wall, yeah, a little smell out of him.